Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to test the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS test in the Realme X8 Max device by using the Setedit application. So these are comments which I'm getting on the Realme X8 Max device asking me to use this application to play at 90 FPS. As you can see friends, these are the comments which I'm getting at this moment. Exactly, can you please check whether the 90 FPS is working or not? So I thought of making a video and explaining to you all what is going on. So I'll try to explain to you friends what is happening with the Realme X8 Max because of this recent update 8.21. The Battlegrounds mobile game will not play at 90 FPS. It will not play, yes. So even with the 8.20 also same problem is happening with the previous few software versions. I think old versions you will be able to play at 90 FPS, but latest version you cannot play at 90 FPS. And this application, what it does is that it can actually force use the high refresh rate gameplay in few phones. Yes, it's actually possible, but this application doesn't reflect in the Battlegrounds mobile game. This actually works in other games. In the Realme X8 Max, without using any kind of brightness trick, you can actually play it high refresh rate without any problem. So once you download this application, you need to change the value in the peak refresh point. Don't try to change anything friends. Please don't change it. If you are not sure, then don't try to use it as well. But right now, as you can see, is the peak refresh rate. We need to change this value to 1. And then what happens is that this application forces everything to use at higher refresh rate all the time. Everything. This will drain the battery as well. By using this kind of method, let's see whether the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay will be activated with the 90 FPS or not. I'll try to show you in front of the camera. So first let me show you friends what is going on. So before and after. Right now I did not enable it. So let's check out before what is happening exactly. So I did try plenty of other methods friends, even using the GFX tool and a lot of other Setedit applications. So it doesn't apply for this game in this Realme phone. So Setedit application is actually working for other games. Other games you can actually play at higher refresh rate in this device, no issues. But this game, it's not reflecting, unfortunately. Let me show you the settings, what settings I'm trying to use. As you can see, 90 FPS I'm trying to use. But still we are getting only 70 FPS. And now I'll try to open this application and change the value to the 1. Now it's changed successfully. Now let me need to open the game. Even after using the Setedit application, no, it doesn't change. As you can clearly see, friends, it's still remaining around 70 FPS only. So the final verdict is that doesn't matter what you use, the FPS cannot increase unless you use this floating application a trick. If you try to use this floating applications as a trick, only then you will be able to play at 90 FPS. As you can see friends, except this trick, no other trick is actually working in the Realme X8 Max. Even if you try using the config file, GFX file, whatever you do, it doesn't work. It's not working, it's kind of so much restricted. But if you want to still play at 90 FPS, you need to download the PUBG Korean version only. Even with the global version, it's not working. Only with the Korean version, it was able to play. Only with global version. Korean version only, not global, only Korean. So I do know friends, it's kind of really sad to see this kind of problem in the Realme X8 Max users who are actually facing this kind of issues in this device especially. So only using the floating application only you will be able to play at 90 FPS without any kind of problems. Otherwise you won't be able to play. As you can see friends, right now with the floating application only I'm playing at 90 FPS. So without using any kind of Setedit application, you can actually play using in this method only. It's possible. Not in any other method. So no need to try using even Setedit application, and don't edit anything in the Setedit application. That may cause other problems, other issues as well. So make sure not using anything extra. So let me know in the comment section below, friends. In case if you find any other solution, let me know, please. Definitely I'll try to do my best. So because right now I'm asking a lot of other users as well, in case if there's any kind of solution or not, to play at 90 FPS. Except this floating trick, except this application floating trick. If you have any other tricks with you, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely that will be really helpful for a lot of other users. So that's it, friends. This is a situation with the Realme X1 Max device at this moment. Even if you use a GFX tool or doesn't matter, config file, still we cannot play. So I thought of making a video explaining you regarding the Setedit application. So overall, friends, and if you want to like disable this Setedit, whatever you've done, so you just need to restart the device. After you change the value and everything, no need to worry. Just try to restart the device. All the values will be completely reset. Even if you try to delete any other row, right, by clicking on this one, if you try to delete the row, don't delete it. If you delete also, no problem, but you can try to restart the device, everything will be fine. So whatever you try to do, always try to restart the device, so to be on the safe side in the Realme X1 Max device while using this kind of settings. You can try plenty of other GFX tools also which are available in the Play Store, but I did try a few of them and they did not work well. I mean, it's not nothing at all, there is no improvement at all. So except only PUBG Korean version you can actually play in this device. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off and bye.